Nan, nababawa ka balin, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga. We discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, another option for you to check out, guys. Nandito tayo ngayon sa AJ Eatery, Angeles City, and you're invited to come and check out yung mga food nila dito and papagutan natin.
Yes, so this is a family place. Matitikman nyo dito yung mga favorite nating mga Pinoy dishes.
Actually, kita natin. There you have it. Ang daming pagkain nito, guys. If you want to know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Welcome to AJ Eatery, Angeles City!
So just to give you a brief background, so nagsimula po si AJ Eatery sa San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. And grabe, in a span of less than 1 year, naka 6 branches po sila. That only shows na talagang gusto ng mga tao yung pagkain dito.
Lalo na syempre kung ganito yung mga sinaserve nila, yung mga favorite natin, mga Filipino dish.
So upo na tayo, guys. Can't wait to taste this.
Ito po ang aming overload silog. Ito po ay pork chop silog. At ito naman po ay tapa silog. Ito po ay pakbet, kaldereta, kare-kare bagnet, pancit mix. At ito naman po ang overload lugaw. Meron na po siyang chicharon bulaklak at bagnet, beef lugaw. At ito naman po ang dinakdakan, bestseller namin pork sisig. At sa mga soup naman po, meron naman po kami sinigang na bagnet, lomi espesyal, bulalo pares, at beef mami po. At meron din kaming mga dessert, ang leche flan at saka ang ube espesyal.
Grabe, Mark, grabe. Sobrang dami nito. Again, nagpapasalamat po kami kay AJ Eatery dito sa Angeles City dahil
More than 10 dishes na sinerve nila.
Exactly. Most probably, Mark, ano yung magiging excited ka dito?
It's yung kanilang caldereta. Kasi parang napaka-sarap niya and
Actually,
napaka-saucy niya.
Saucy. Okay, so siguro, pareho na lang tayong tigman natin to. Ayan.
Wow. Ang sarap ng caldereta nila, malambot. At the same time, parang siyang may...
Napakalasa, no?
Malasa. And this is the best na may kanin talaga.
Actually, the best siya na partner with kanin. Now, when you go here, guys, the place is very typical eatery. It's an al fresco, so napakalapit niya sa daan. So you might probably hear some vehicles passing by. Ano yung pinupuntahan talaga nila dito is yung pagkain. Because seeing some of the customers earlier and sabi nga nila, bumabalik-balik talaga sila dito.
Yes, so sa mga food naman ng AJ Eatery, so meron silang iba-ibang category. So meron silang lugaw, meron silang pares, meron din silang mga silog meals na maganda tuwing morning. Meron din silang sizzling with rice. Example na lang natin yung sisig and yung dinakdakan. Meron din silang mga noodles like pancit. And lastly, yung mga main dish na lang.
Okay. I think I'm gonna try naman yung kanilang silog.
Yeah.
So this is, of course, sa ating mga Pilipino, it's an all-day breakfast meal.
Yes. Tsaka ang kagandahan ng pag-serve nila dito is nasa mini kawali sila.
Mini kawali, ayan. Ayan.
Napaka-presentable. And parang feel mo talaga na nasa karinderya ka.
Wow. This one is their Shanghai.
Sa mga overload nila, overload silog nila, 169 pesos lang sila.
169 pesos. Masulit na to. Isa sa mga bestseller po nila dito is yung bagnet, kare-karing bagnet. Which this one is it, part of their main dishes. This is a deconstructed dish, no? If you notice, naka-separate yung meat natin dun sa sabaw para talagang may experience mo pa rin yung lutong ng bagnet natin.
So, syempre sa mga morning person naman, lalo na yung mga pumapasok sa work or yung mga mahilig lang gumising ng maaga, available yung mga lugaw nila dito. So meron sila dito yung kanilang overload lugaw.
Wow!
Which is talagang overload siya sa meat, meron
Look at
siyang
that.
egg, meron siyang chicharon bulaklak.
Look at that, bro!
At the same time, meron siyang kasama fried tofu. And this is only for 119 pesos.
Wow!
Ang sarap ng lugaw nila.
Wow.
Lalo na pag morning, yung naghahanap ka ng pampainit ng tiyan. This is the best.
Tignan naman natin yung kanilang dinakdakan. Pino-compare nila to sa sisig natin, no? So, difference nila guys, of course, this is with mayonnaise, egg, nilalagyan din nila ng egg to, at luya. I think that's it. So, additionally, ayan, may pinatikim sila sa atin dito na pinakbet. Take a look at it. It's meaty overload at the same time. We have our mga favorite vegetables in it. Oh, tignan natin din to, siyempre.
So, titingnan ko, ito kanilang bagnet sinigang. So,
This is still hot. Ayan, brother. Wow. Yun, guys. So, another from their soup meal category is itong pares bulalo. Ayan, so you have your pares soup. You have your pares as the base soup.
yes.
And then, meron tayong parang bulalo cut dito na, look at that, it has still bone marrow in it.
Yes.
Then, napaka-thick ng sauce niya, look at that. Let's taste it guys, simulan natin to.
Wow.
Naman ha?
Actually, ang sasarap ng pagkain, lalo na pag medyo mainit-init talaga sila.
Again, napasarap na yung thick sauce niya. It's not too sweet. And then yung meat guys, yung meat, sobrang lambot. So I bet ang tagal nitong pinapakuluan, no? I gotta say, I really fell in love with this pares bulalo. Not the usual bulalo, not the usual pares din. Para sa akin, ito yung patok na patok sa mga sinerve nila.
Wow.
Lambot.
Pumunta na kayo dito, I'm sure mabubusog kayo. From Monday to Friday po, open po tayo ng 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. Except Tuesday na 11 to 11 lang po kami. And kapag Saturday and Sunday, open po kami ng 6 to 12.
So, we've tasted a lot and still, napakarami pa nating titikman
Yes.
dito. So, again, very generous. Thank you so much, AJ Eatery. So, I think for the last dish that we're gonna try is yung kanilang mga
Dessert.
Dessert.
So, meron tayo itong leche flan and
ube araya.
ube alaya. Napaka-Filipino talaga ng mga food dito.
Yes,
no?
yes, yes. Wow. At the end of the day, I think it is a must for you to have some desserts, no? Just to top it all off. Kumbaga, yun yung pinaka-period ng experience nyo dito. So, available to sila dito. You just have to request for it.
Or anytime na mag-crave kayo, they are available sa Let's Be and Food Panda.
So, make sure to contact their fan page. We're gonna be providing in the details below.
So kung gusto niyo man din mag-dine in,
Yup.
they are available dito sa may Tabun, Angeles City. Ang pinaka-landmark nila is yung city center or yung Fiesta community, Angeles City.
Yep. And I'm surprised, Mark, napakahaba ng operational hours nila
Yes.
dito. I think up until 11 p.m.
Yes, so they can serve yung mga morning person
Yes.
hanggang sa mga late
Late.
night person.
Exactly. Alright. Again, so many more dishes to taste and we're gonna finish them off camera.
Yes.
Guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Kung hindi pa po kayo nag-subscribe sa mga channels namin, we're available YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Peace out, guys.